Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both windows. Open the two apps or browser tabs you need. Once done, click and hold the Windows Maximize button or press Alt+ to snap left, Alt+ to snap right. This immediately docks the active window to one side, while Chrome OS shows available windows on the other side. Make sure you have multiple windows, not just tabs, so snapping works predictably. If an app supports split view, it will resize cleanly. Otherwise, use a browser tab in a separate window. Now adjust the layout. Once both windows are docked, drag the vertical divider to change the width ratio. This lets you prioritize one view. You can also use a touchscreen or two-finger trackpad swipe to move focus between panes. Keyboard users press Alt+Tab to change the active window. If you need a tab instead of a window, pop the tab out into a new window first, then snap it. This gives you precise control over spacing, which matters for multitasking and reading versus editing tasks. To finish, fine-tune each pane and get back to a single window by pressing ESC or clicking the divider and dragging a pane away. If snapping fails, make sure you're not in a kiosk or restricted mode. Toggling tablet mode on and off or restarting the app often clears issues. Also try converting tabs into separate windows or detach an external display. Manual resizing can be a reliable fallback. Keep this troubleshooting tip in mind. Most split-screen problems stem from app limitations, not Chrome OS itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.